Actually,
case, no?
consistent with our earlier press briefing, which was last week. Basically, we confirmed that yung applications of two witnesses, no, not only Bryce but also si Engineer JP Mendoza, their application for those particular cases were declined because for those particular cases, their testimonies will no longer be necessary for the state to prosecute the cases. Remember, we take in state witnesses hindi dahil na, di ba, they just come out na guilty kami, di ba? Ang kailangan natin dito, if they help the state prosecute the cases. Remember, those initial cases were the ghost projects. Diba? The ghost projects. And medyo mas basic yung elements of
Sila yung highest officials kasi ng District 1 ng Bulacan. So, parang it would be absurd na if you're talking about yung conspiracy doon, tatanggalin ko yung taas samantalang not necessarily because sila yung naunang nagsalita at sila yung naunang nag-volunteer. When there are witnesses, di ba, remember their qualifications, that they should not be the most guilty. So if there is a witness who will come out and they're not the most guilty in those charges, we will consider that over and above the testimonies of those who are offering to be state witnesses.
Tsaka other factor I would like to interject, no? There's a rational decision to take in state witnesses. Hindi to unahan, hindi to balikan lang ng pera. Diba? It should, with the ultimate objective of the state winning the case. Diba? With the parameters given.